Hello, this is a second video on adjective, common adjective. Thanks to the book Fun with Cantonese Adjectives, you can find it on Amazon. And we're just going to introduce some of it. And I hope you like it. 好，辛苦，辛苦. Sometimes it's a lot of people mix it up with 好难. 好难 is like very difficult to do. The test is very difficult, right? And then, or some people will say, oh, the test is very hard. Then it will kind of mix it up with this one. But 辛苦, this has a deeper meaning. Definitely, it's like, oh, maybe it takes you 1 year, 2 years, 3 years to finish something. Then you can say 辛苦. Here is an adjective. Sometimes it can be a noun. For example, 10 years of hardship. So it's 10年嘅辛苦. Alright. Let's see the dialogue. Okay, so this little boy said, "Oh, 大力推啦." Oh no, sorry, it's this guy asking him to 大力推啦. So the movement is the pushing. Push. 大力推啦, 大力推啦. So in the class, I teach my kids, my students, to see the difference between the English and the Chinese. In English, you will put the verb in the front and then adverb or adjective. But in Cantonese, most of the time, we put it in front of the verb. It's just a little bit like some French sentences. Okay, 大力推 instead of 推大力. Okay, so this one is 大力推 係啦，大力推. So in this one, 大力 is certainly not related to hard. It's like push stronger energy, bigger energy. And then the one here, he said, 真係好辛苦，冇晒力啦，冇晒力啦，冇晒 none 冇. So if you say 冇力 no energy, 冇晒力 sai is entirely no. So it's冇晒力 none, no more, none. 冇晒力啦，冇晒力啦. For example, this is like, here is a noun. So you can say, oh, there's no more rice left. Then you can say 冇晒飯啦，冇晒飯啦. Oh, okay, so 大力推啦，真係好辛苦，冇晒力啦. Okay, so next time try not to buy too much at once. 好，跟住呢就係some expressions, and you can see this more elaboration here on your own. So let's read all of them together. 讀書辛唔辛苦？好鬼死辛苦啊！一啲都唔辛苦，忍得好辛苦啊。Okay. I think this one is worth to talk. You can say 好辛苦, very hard. And 鬼死 is something to kind of make it stronger feeling. For example, it's a very common way to say, to add the meaning. 好鬼辛苦啊，好鬼辛苦，哦啊，好鬼死辛苦啊，好鬼辛苦，好鬼死辛苦。It's more than 好辛苦, right? Longer. And it can be positive if you add 鬼死. You may have feeling that, oh, 死 is dying and 鬼 is like ghost. You can say somebody is like pretty like I don't know how to say, like 好鬼死靚，好鬼死靚。It's like unbelievable, incredible, 好鬼死靚. Then it's possible, 好鬼死靚. Or you can say somebody is super troublesome. Then that is 好鬼死煩. You're not, you're so occupied, then you are 唔得閒. But then you're 好鬼死唔得閒. It's like super, super, super 唔得閒. Incredibly 唔得閒. So in this case, extremely 唔得閒. Very busy. Extremely busy. 好鬼死唔得閒. And then this one, it's used the 得 structure. 得. So it helps to describe the verb with a adjective or adverb. 係啦，好得嚟忍得好辛苦啊，忍 is to, oh, you need to bear. But this one like remind me of something like the little kid wants to go to the toilet, but there's a long queue, and then little kid said to mom, 忍得好辛苦啊，我好想去廁所啊，忍得好辛苦，忍得好辛苦，忍得好辛苦。Maybe the work is too hard. You can say 做得好辛苦。You sleep not well, then you can say 瞓得唔好，瞓得唔好。This one 辛苦啊。For example, you hurt your feet, then you say 行得好辛苦。Like 行 is walk, walk. 行得好辛苦。Okay, so we'll stop here. So I'll call it a day. Alright, so if I have more time, I'll make more video. I will have a big exam in August, so wish me luck. Yes, I will still remember to make video, and hope you continue to enjoy the video. Thanks.